Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing palette bingo. So I'm gonna pick one palette from the Hello Out for Halloween Project Pan. So let's see what I get from this one. Take Me Back to Brazil, BH palette, yes. And then I'll pick two palettes from my Project Pan monochromatic. So it'll be like a purple palette. I need usage on my palettes. I haven't done a palette bingo all this week, so I'm just like, I need to get more usage. So I got Urban Decay Stone Vibes, and the second one is, my teeth keep hurting, I'm sorry. Morphe Such a Gem, which that actually needs to be used as well. So here are the palettes. This BH, Take Me Back to Brazil. Loving this. Definitely, these are definitely the palette that needs to be built up, but I still love it. And I love rainbow palettes, so that's definitely a keeper. And Urban Decay Stone Vibes Mini. This, I actually wore this shade and this shade right here, and it was okay. So hopefully I get a shimmer this time. And let's see how the formula is. And then Morphe, this big O palette, Such a Gem. And this palette is so gorgeous. Definitely need some usage out of this palette. Okay, we have 1 through 35 right there. 1 and 8. 1 through 6, we have 5 and 6. 1 through 39, we have 19 and 27. Here is the color story. You got 2 toppers, which is going to be interesting, and mattes. And this is, I think, a little bit shimmer. This is not shimmer, it's a matte. Matte. It looks pretty. Okay, we're going to go to this BH shadow right here, this really light pale pink. And going in the crease. I don't have my mirror. So just going in the crease with the shadow, and it's very light pink. So you're going to have to build that up. So after the dentist, like last week, the 8th, my teeth still been hurting. So I've been taking 2 ibuprofens and a curcumin right here. And this right here. Every single day, like 3 times a day. I know it's not healthy at all, but it helps with the inflammation and the hurting. So I'm like, what do I do? Like, am I gonna have to take this for a long time? And the 29th is for this month. I go back to get the real crowns in, and they didn't even do a root canal. Is that even normal? So please tell me. No root canal, just crowns. Right now I have temporarily crowns, so yeah. Going in with Eclipse now, this brown shade, just in the outer portion of the eye, right here. So now going into this purple right here in this huge ass palette, but this is the purple we are digging into. So I got that purple right here. Just going in. next to the blue, the brown. Such a beautiful palette. I really like it. It looks so messy. It's not like blending in very well. So it looks choppy and gross. Now going into the shade right here, this purple shade. Right there. Very beautiful shade. I love this kind of purple. Going into the rest of the lid with the shade. Such a beautiful purple. It's like a dark look. I like it. It's pretty. I'm going to go back in with this brown right here. Now I'm going to go in underneath the eye. Like that. Going back in with this purple in the Such a Gem palette. I'm going underneath. Sorry if I'm far away. Just have my Such a Gem palette on my lap, and then it's just making me go far away from the camera. Just going underneath the eye. And then going in with the shade right here. Closer to the inner corner. Going in with this baby pale pink to the actual inner corner. Going in with this energy shade, this green, so beautiful. So I'm gonna go in on top of the purple, the lightest purple. That's so pretty. I don't know if I would want the big palette now that I know what this is all about. I've wanted the big palette, and even after purchasing this on eBay, I was like, I still love the packaging on the full-size palette, but do I really need it? No, this is good enough. So I'm just going in, doing the other side now. So now I'm going into this shade right here. So beautiful. This palette is so gorgeous. Using my finger again and going in the middle shade and topping that shade. And this is the finished look. I feel like it's choppy, like right here in that area. Other than that, it's pretty nice. I do like, you know, the green on top of the purple. That's pretty. Yeah, this is bugging me right here. But yeah, I do like the purple look. Dark and grungy. With my eye color, it's pretty. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.